cotton candy?
Cotton candy consists of nothing but sugar and sucrose, with a little coloring and flavoring.
Sucrose, in turn, is comprised of a handful of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms.
What? When you pour sugar into the center of a cotton candy machine, the coils inside heat the sugar to its melting point and break the bonds of the molecules.
The hydrogen and oxygen atoms rearrange to form water molecules and promptly evaporate, leaving only carbon behind. The carbon burns and the sugar begins to caramelize.
As the sugar caramelizes, its container spins at a speed of nearly 60 revolutions per second.
There are tiny holes on the sides of the container where strands of the hot liquid sugar are flung out as a filament just 50 microns in diameter.
They turn solid as soon as they meet the cool air outside the container.
All you have to do is collect these filaments around your paper to get a delicate mass of cotton candy to eat.
Thanks for watching.